Then we are going to discuss how we can combine two different lists into one single list. So for that I'm going to have two lists, that is list 1 is equals to, I'm going to take string values, let's say a, then that is actually my choice, okay, then I can have, let's say I can have Bob, okay, and then I'm going to have second list, that is list 2, okay, and I'm going to write, let's say 1 2 89 90.8, right, anything, okay. So now there are two different ways of doing the same thing. One is what I can write list 3 is equals to list 1 plus list 2, okay, and then I can write print, that is list 3. So in the list 3 I have make a combination of list 1 and list 2 both. So see, it is giving me both the values of list 1 and list. So this is how it has given me the output as combination of list 1 and list 2, okay. So let's just do one thing, display both the lists separately as well. I have displayed list 1 and after this I'm going to display, I'm going to make a print, that is list 2, okay. Save this and now run this. So it is going to give me, this is my list 1, then my list 2, then new list which is containing both the elements of list 1 and list 2. Now that is my choice. If I don't want to make a new list, I can make the changes in list 1 only. So what happen, it will change the list 1 as well, okay. Yeah, I need to write list 1 because I have not defined any list 3. So when I run this code, what it will do, so see, it is giving me list 1 is now changed, okay. So now there is another way of doing the same thing, that is if I want to extend list 1, I can write list 1 dot extend function. Inside that I'm going to write list 2. There is also a function which is known as that is working like your plus. So see, now there is a difference if I'm going to write list 1 dot extend or if I'll write list 2 dot extend and then I write list 1. There is a difference between these two statements. What is the difference? In first case, the elements of list 2 would be appended to list 1. By append, I mean to say the elements would be inserted after list 1. And in second case, the elements of list 1 would be inserted after list 2. So both are different, okay. Let's, we need to print that is list 2. So you need to understand the difference between the two statements, okay. Let me just clear the screen and let me just run. See, in first case what is happening, I need to run it one by one. So now see what is happening, the elements of list 2 are inserted after the elements of list 1, okay. Now I'm going to do the reverse task. I'm going to use the extend function with list 1 instead of list 2 and I'm going to print list 2, okay. So the reverse would be happen, so that is your choice. Now see, the elements of list 1 are inserted after list 2. So this is the difference, that with whom you are using extend function, the list which you are putting as a parameter of extend function, those list element would be inserted at the last, okay. So in this way you can join the two different lists. Suppose if I want to join 3 lists, then I need to join first 2 lists and then the other list, okay. Suppose if I do have one more list, that is list 3 and it is containing elements like 1 and 90, only 2 elements. Suppose I put 100 here, okay, and save it. Now if you want to add list 3 to the above one, so what you need to write, you will write list 2 is equals to list 2 plus list 3. Now that is again your choice, okay. You want to use extend function, you want to use plus sign, that is entirely your choice. It doesn't make any difference to the output, okay. Let's just save this code and let's just run this code. So see, it is giving me the output like this. So similar, in this way you can combine as many as list you want to. There is no check on that. Okay. So in the next lesson we are going to discuss some of the functions related to the list.